Hello. Today I have a 2017 Mazda 6 2.5 liter engine. I have a code P0421, and car when it came here was like kind of shaking or vibrate, idling up and down, not steady. So also I hear like air coming from this manifold, like air. You can hear the hazy noise, like even going up and down, like boom, 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 boom. Like you feel like cutting fuel. So this code usually is about the Cadillac converter and the oxygen sensor. You need to check all of that, but as nobody mentioned about the spark plug, so what I did first, I checked the spark plug, and like you see, it's completely gone. Looks like the original one from Mazda. I believe the owner never replaced him. So I went ahead, I replaced it. I also replaced both oxygen sensor upstream and downstream. This is the upstream right here, and I replaced the downstream. And I add some fuel injector cleaner to the fuel tank. That's helped to clean the Cadillac converter. So now I started again, and like you hear, sound good. You can not in hear the air noise anymore. Engine is steady. It didn't go up and down like the first when it came here. Now the car is good. No more codes. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just comment below.